All right, so here is a blender spoon that we could create. Let's go through the steps to making this spoon. Control N, I'll start with a new default cube. And then what I'm going to do is scale this in just the Z plane. There we go, so we'll flatten it down a little bit. A fair bit actually, maybe even a little bit more. So let's go S and then Z. S and then Z allows me to do that. I'll go to wireframe view so we can see that a little bit better, and that looks pretty good. Okay, we'll go to top view. That's 7 on the number pad. Hit the tab button to go into edit mode. Hit the A key twice to deselect all the vertices. And then we'll use the B key to, actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all the vertices. No, not quite yet. I'm going to hit the A key twice, B key to select the back vertices, and I'm going to extrude, and I'm going to scale, but if I scale it, it looks fine from the top view, but look what happens from the side. I actually narrowed it down as well too, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hit Control Z, and I'm going to hit S and then Y. So I'm scaling it only in the Y plane, so I maintain the thickness throughout. Okay, I'm going to extrude again. I'm going to again scale into Y. I'm going to take this even narrower. Hopefully this works out. We can always adjust these. Extrude again. Scale in the Y, S and then Y. Extrude one more time, just a little one. Scale, S and then Y. And let's just make sure that I maintain the proportion all the way through, which it looks like I did. Okay, back to 7, top view. Hit the tab button to go into edit mode. A key twice. You notice those vertices were selected at the back. We don't want that. B key to select these vertices, just a spoon. And what we want to do is I want to be able to add a curve to this. And there's no way to curve it if there isn't a vertex in the middle, so we need to do that. And there are a number of possible ways to do this, but I'm going to go edge subdivide. And so now we have this vertex in the middle. Tab, A key twice, deselect all, B key to select the ones in the middle. 3, and then I'm going to hit the G key, and I'm going to go like this. And I can just drag that down. And actually, okay, it's not going to look very good yet. Did I do anything to this? Yeah. I'm probably what I should do at this point actually is go into edit mode, and let's add a modifier and make it a subdivision surface. Okay, that's a bit better. I might have to go like that. 2 would be even better. You notice how this is not all that round. It looks almost like a spatula. So what I'm going to do is use the B key, zoom in a bit, and I'm going to grab this and bring it into, say, here. I'm moving it in 2 dots. A key twice. We got to do the same to this one, obviously. Grab G key and move that in 2 dots as well. And I think that's a bit better shape. I like that much better. Okay. Probably we could have done an extrusion here. There's lots of things we could have done to make this better, but for now that should be okay. Oh, and something funny happened here with those dots. That's very odd. A key twice. We should be able to fix that. B key, and we'll just grab those and pull them back to the middle. Not sure what I did there. Okay, it doesn't have enough of a scoop to it. I want more like a soup spoon, so I'll go to side view again, and I'll just pull down until I get roughly the shape I want. And I think that's pretty good. Let's go to, yeah, that's not bad at all, actually. That was pretty easy. Back to side view, number 1. And the last thing we need to do, of course, is put a little bit of an angle like we did with the fork. If you've watched that video, A key twice, B key, we can lift up a little bit here. Actually, let's Control Z that. We want to do this in wireframe mode, so we for sure have all the vertices. Okay, and we're going to lift up a little bit here, which means we're A key twice. We're also going to have to lift up a little bit here. And that's not, something looks a little bit funny here. Let's also do the next ones over. A key twice, B key here. Lift that up. Let's see if we're getting better. Okay, something is still not quite right here, but we could grab this maybe and pull it forward a bit. That's not too bad. A key twice. I think I also need to lift this one up just a bit more. Okay, I like that. That's pretty good. It still looks a little bit funny, but you can adjust yours. And then finally what I'm going to do is curl the end up, A key twice, B key, and just lift that up a bit. And that actually looks okay. That's not too bad. There we go. Okay, if we go to this view, you can see that it definitely does look like a spoon. The handle's too long, and that's actually easy to fix. We'll go back to wireframe, A key twice, and we'll grab the B key, and all we do is pull it in like that. And I think we have a much better proportioned spoon. All right, there we go. Spoon is done. That's it. Over and out. Don't forget to save it.